You can use my link in the description to download it. Thank you, guys.
If you are using Ubuntu or any other Debian-based Linux distribution, NVMe-CLI is available in the official repositories. To install, just run this command. The NVMe-CLI tool is available in the official repositories of all major Linux distributions. You can use the respective package managers to install the package. In order to check the temperature, you need the NVMe device name. This is not the manufacturing name, instead the NVMe block device location on Linux. To find the drives in the system, use the NVMe command. This will list all the NVMe device names. As you can see, we got the name of the NVMe device. Also, you can use the lsblk command to list all the drives attached and then find the name of NVMe from there. Now you know the name of the drive you want to check. Let's check the temperature. The syntax used to check the temperature is this. Replace the device name with the name you have found. If you are a GNOME user, Vitals is a must extension. It is not limited to temperature, instead it offers a whole lot of other system monitors. On the panel, click on the temperature option to expand the temperature monitors. From there, you can monitor the NVMe temperature in real time. HardInfo 2 is a system information and benchmark tool. You can use this to know the temperature of your devices. You can go to the Sensors page under the Devices section for the purpose.